So I do a lot by hand, but I absolutely use help sometimes when my hands need help. And this is a interlocking machine, and so you have to be very careful when you're using it. But slowly but surely, this is a hairpiece that I'm finishing up, going up and down kind of by hand, am able to secure parts that I just kind of hand did. And so I very gently use the machine so that I'm not over processing it. And then when I'm all done, take off the machine. I now feel that that lock is nice and secure. And so you can see that it's really attached in comparison to when I just did it by hand. It's a lot thicker at the roots. It's secure, but I want to make sure that this piece is not going anywhere. So that tells you guys a little bit about some things that I do behind the scenes, tools that I use. This is one of them. Save my hands, save my little work. And so you do have to be careful when you're using it, because these units that I adapt and create, a lot of times I'm making sure that my clients are getting exactly what they need. And so I'm in my workspace right now, just kind of working on this new piece. It's a salt and pepper. So like, yes, I do custom made toppers. I do custom made cranial prosthesis units to help my black and brown people to kind of look the way that they want to look. So thank you for watching.